Hi, you're welcome to today's tutorial. Please join me as I bake this simple but a beautiful cake. So today I have decided to give my fondant cake a touch of royal icing, to beautify it with the royal icing. This is the second time I'm trying this, so I was actually so nervous because I had in mind to show you guys this. So I was nervous. I don't know how it's going to come out. I don't know how it's going to turn out to be, but just join me, watch to the end, and let's see how this turned out to be. So normally I like to start from the beginning, covering of my cake with fondant and sharp edging in each of my videos. That is because I don't know who is watching and who will be so interested to see that part. So please relax and enjoy this tutorial. And if you've not seen my fondant tutorial video, please go down to my channel and you will see it. I know and I believe it's going to be a lot of help to you. It is going to help you in your fondant making journey. So just try new things, don't stop, keep trying new recipes until you are perfect with your work. Yeah. So here is my royal icing and the consistency I'll be using. Though I didn't show from scratch how I made my royal icing and how I got my consistency. That is because that isn't the main point of this video. I just wanted you to see that yes, you can add a touch of royal icing to your fondant cake and it will turn out to be so well and beautiful. I don't know if you've seen some buttercream designs, some cream cake designs that have this kind of touch, and you wonder, oh, I wish I know how to make these cakes and I wish I can have this kind of touch on fondant cake. Yes, some touch of buttercream or cream cakes, you can actually achieve it by using a royal icing on your fondant cake. This is just the main aim I wanted you to see in this video. Okay, so maybe in my next video, whenever I have a cake to make a cake similar to this, then I will show you how I make my royal icing and consistency that you need on each and every touch on your cake. Though making royal icing is not difficult, I think that is the most simplest thing to make. Yeah, I'm done with my touch of royal icing on the cake, but though I decided to still show you how I made this fondant rose. I believe that a lot of people would also be interested to watch this. Actually, a freehand rose without any cutter, without any special tool at all. So please relax and enjoy it all through. Thank you so much. If you are my returning subscriber, I really appreciate you so much. Please, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, it is your girl Glory Chege. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please like this video as well, share it to your friend, share it to your family. Thank you so much once again for watching to this extent. I do really appreciate. Okay, let me give a little explanation on this rose. Your first set of fondant that you're going to roll out to make this rose, the inner set should be of the same size. That should be around 6 to 7 petals. Okay, you roll them out in a ball. They should be of the same size, and that is just what I wrapped around. That is the inner. That is the inner rose, which is the board. We call it board. So this ones I'm making now, which is the lighter pink, is going to make it to be a well-blown rose. So you make it to be bigger. If it were to be cutter, I will use a bigger cutter now, but since I'm making it free-handedly, I'm going to make it bigger, to be on bigger fondant, and I flatten with my hands. After widening it up with my hands, I give it that wavy shape on the tip with my hands. Okay, just try it. Practice makes perfect. Even if you don't know how to make it, Just look at my hands. Despite it is fast, it's so fast, but I'm sure when you look at me so well, you'll be able to make it. So look at how I give it that wavy shape on the tip and wrap it round each and every corner that I feel it is empty and needs to be added a petal. You can do this on and on and on. If you want it to be more bigger and wider, then you add more larger fondant, more larger petal to it, and you're done. And your rose is so beautiful. Rose is not that hard to make, okay? Just pay attention to it. You see how simple it is to make, okay? So I went ahead to make all the rest of the roses off camera. So I went to make it off camera, not to bore you with this tutorial, though we have done the main part, which is adding a touch of rare icing to our fondant cake. And look at it, guys. Even without being done with our detailing on the cake, you can see how beautiful the cake is turning out to be already. So yes, it's possible. Try new things. A lot of things is possible on your cake. Stop being scared of trying out new things. Go out there, try it. If it didn't work out, try again, and until you tell yourself yes, it's not working out and this is not perfect for this cake, and then you can stop. But you keep trying until you see something new happening on your cake. Don't rely on one tutorial. Don't rely on just one single teacher. Go out there, search on new things and try it on. Sit down, think of it and try it as well. If people can sit down, make out rare icing, make out corn syrup, give us all this, and we bind it together to make out clay that we call fondant. How much more you that is going to use that clay? Men, do good with it, okay? Do good with it. There's a lot of things you can do with your cake. So thank you so much for watching. I believe we've come to the end of this video. Yeah, thank you. It was nice to watch to this extent with you. Please don't forget to subscribe because it's totally free. Bye and see you in my next video.